That was close. Hey everybody, welcome back. It is such a radical difference this week from last week. When we left here last Sunday, it was 34 degrees in my truck, according to my truck. Right now it's 6. So it's a chilly day here in the woods. Oh, do you? Cindy needs her gloves. She's out here doing some weeding in the flower bed. I'm gonna be up to no good today with my excavator. I'm getting a little more comfortable operating this bad boy. People have reassured me, and it's true, that if I want to go down into this little spot here I talked about before, that's low on one side, the machine was tipping. I've got a hole down here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm intrigued by this. I dug this out by hand last week a little bit. Look at how much water's in there. That's a nice little water hole right there. And I think there's actually frogs living in here too. This whole area in here, there was a fire years ago, and I'm not going to explain what happened, but it happened. This all burnt in this whole area. This is why this is all open now. I have no reason why I couldn't put a big pond in here. I could dig this across 20 feet if I want, but what I'm going to do for now is, this is all uneven right here, the ground. So that side is low from this side, and I tried to have the machine in here before, and I had one tire right in the air, and I can't dig like that. But I'm going to try to get it down in here more level this time, and I'm probably going to move some material from this side to that side and try to level it out. We're going to try to dig this out and see what I can do in here. So the thing I know, it's really rocky here. There's a lot of rock. So I don't know how well I'm going to be able to dig through it, and then when I get through it, I may hit ledge, I may hit bedrock, or I may hit, when I was doing it by hand, there was gravel below a layer of rock. So I'm not going to walk in, well, yeah, why not? I'm going to show you guys something here just to show how much rock is here. Hang on. Yeah, check that out. This is at the back edge and behind where I want to dig. This is a tree that's been uprooted. Looking underneath it. It's all brook rock too, is what it looks like. All brook rock. So I don't know what it's going to be like trying to get through here. This whole area is actually rock underneath. I know where I'm standing right now was. It's all rocky here too. There's a great big stump right here. This whole area a couple years ago, that tree was alive. It blew over. It lifted this. When this thing was on its edge, it was taller than me. And the ground underneath was all rock. And I thought, you know, there could be treasure in there. You don't know, but God, it could be gold here. Anyway, we're going to try to get that machine down here and see what kind of mess we can make. And again, I got to come down in here a bit and try to move material over because that side is lower than that side. So I may dig some of this up even and put it over. I'm afraid of getting the wheels in past the edge of this, down over the edge of the driveway, but I think I can. I'm getting a little more confident operating this thing now. So let's see what we can do. Wish me luck in this one. I'll probably need it. There's what I don't like right there. Okay, I got to take some of this off here or get in past it. I don't like this, boys. Yeah. Okay. Like, anybody thinks this is a toy? There's no toy here, boys. This is not a freaking toy. Look at it. Seriously. Doesn't matter what you do sometimes. There's negative people out here. But look how well this thing digs. I'm gonna make a level pad here. That's what I'm gonna do. There. This tree's in my way. Well. Well, there you go. That's a little more level. Maybe I can go in there and dig now. Okay, now what I want to do, whoops, I'm going to move backwards. Clean the rest of this mess up. Gotta go slower though. That was close. This thing could use a seatbelt, you know. That was a little scary right there, guys. I need to move it back. That tree's gonna go. I don't care. We made her. Ha ha, we're in. Oh boy. This is scary stuff. I'll get her out of here, but man, oh man. I'm not going to edit that part out. I'm going to let you guys see that. One of the viewers has said this needs a seatbelt. It does. I'm lucky. I almost fell on the boom of that. When I come down and jerked that hard, I'm lucky I didn't come right out of that. I caught myself, and if I hadn't had this seat, I need to wrap a belt around this or something to hold myself in. I'm not liking this at all. You guys are going to laugh your heads off. I'm going to go I'm going to go get a ratchet strap. Now I'm going to put it around my waist here to operate this because I'm sitting downhill right now, right? And it's trying to kick me right out of it. So don't laugh, but safety first, guys. That came out pretty good though. Got her pretty level, and I'm actually in digging place. I can dig here now. Check this out. Bucket is right in the hole. So, but that was a close call. I'm not going to lie to you. And I'm not going to edit that out, I'll be honest. That kind of scared me a little bit. You guys are going to laugh at me, but I have a ratchet strap that I'm going to put around my waist here. Cindy's going to help me with, but I got to start the machine before I get on it. I don't know, boys. I'm getting her dug. It's working. Really is. I gotta move that log out of there, though. That's a pain. Well. Oh, it's got no strength, right? That people think. Just a toy, guys. Just a toy. Yeah. Best toy I ever had. Like literally, this thing's wild. Like look, I'm digging right down in that. I showed you guys how rocky this is. Look at that. Toy? I wouldn't think so. I don't know, would you guys want to lift all that by hand? I wouldn't. Everybody says they can shovel faster. I don't know. Oh, just a nice little rock. Seriously. See the size of that rock?
I know. I'm watching this.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
No, I gotta watch it too. I'm gonna move over that way a bit. mean, don't go too, well, yeah, don't go too far, because, well, no, don't worry about it. It's all right. Go ahead. It's okay. Unreal. That tree is real annoying. I'm not going to do much more anyway. Well, there you go, everybody. Look at the friggin' hole. Anybody that wants to down talk this, there's a pile of rocks and stuff I get out of there, and I've been digging at what, this 10-15 minutes. So I don't know. Anybody who wants to put one of these down, toy or whatever you want to call it, I wouldn't want to get in and dig that by hand. I get in there, pick and shovel the other day, and after 5 minutes I had had enough, and you saw how big the hole was when I started. So anyway, I am going to get this machine backed out of here now because it is going to start raining here very soon. So I think I'm going to cut this video off for now, and I think this is the first real true test of this machine. And again, that's quite a pile of stuff I got there built up from it. So all kinds of rock. Don't laugh, I had a ratchet strap around my waist, and I'm going to do it when I go to back out of here again because it's the only safe way to do it. That kind of freaked me out when it bucked me ahead. There's nowhere to really put your feet on this. So this machine may get a seatbelt added to it. So anyways, from Cindy and I, you guys just live simply, remain grateful, and I will talk to you soon.